how to sign up ChatGPT in mobile. If you want to sign up to ChatGPT in mobile, all you have to do is simply open up the ChatGPT application here. Once you open the ChatGPT app, tap on the tooltips option from the top left, go to the option called login or sign up. You can choose to sign up with Google, or you can tap on sign up with email option right here. Then once done, you will be able to simply enter a certain email address that you would like to use for your ChatGPT account. Once you've entered that, tap on the continue button and it will ask you to create a password. So choose a password that you want to create. Make sure that you type the password correctly, and you can also tap on this button to view your password or hide it. Then tap on the continue button. Now for verification purposes, it might send you an email on your inbox depending upon which email address you have provided. So make sure that you have verified that as well. And once done, you'll be able to sign up ChatGPT in mobile. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.